The same concept that we used for the luggage tag and make a cell phone holder. And as you can see, they're very similar. Put your cell phone in, hook it to you. And what's nice about these is you can just kind of pinch the bottom and your cell phone just kind of pops right up and then you grab it. So to start this off, I just took a piece of fabric I just cut off of a yardage, not very wide, fold it in half, fold it in half again. The difference between this and the luggage tag is we need two strips of fabric 3.5 by 11. So I'm using my ruler, going to 3.5. Okay, I'm going to use my ruler, find the 3.5 mark, put it along the straight edge of here. I don't use my board very often, the measurements on the board real often, unless it's longer than my ruler. Take my rotary cutter, cut my strip. Now, the length of the handle is dependent on what your preference is. I've tried 14, I've tried 13, I'm down to about a 10 because you really don't want it hanging off your hip very far. So the shorter you can handle, the better. Now we turn this the other way. We need to turn this into 11. So now I'm going to use my board, line it up on the line of the board. Get a straight edge over here, put it up to the edge, and find my mark for 11, which I have it backwards. And there's my 11. Come over here on my mark for 0. There's my two pieces. The handle, I'm going to make I only need one. And I'm going to make mine about 10. And there we go.